bend your back, swing straight across.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Eyes on the ball, scoot up. Scoot up, scoot up. Right there.
Woo, good hit, girl. Let's go, Chase. Oh, that was a slide. Good job, buddy. Give me 5.
Over there.
You have to tell him what.
Remember when you
what's his name?
all the way through?
Take your hat off. What'd you say?
You have to tell him what my friend's name.
Tim.
Yes, son. Yes, son. Oh, go, buddy. Stay there, man. Good job. Yep. All right, Timothy. Did y'all win?
Yeah, it was 11-4.
11-4.
Billy.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Give me a 5. Because you got that big hit, huh?
Uh-huh.
Bring it in, Courtney.
You got a grandma and grandpa on the team.
Huh? Did you say something?
I missed. She's grandma.
You missed one?
Antonio's grandpa.
Oh, cheer up. It's all right.
I like your grandma. I won. Thank you. Courtney. I won. I'm losing. I'll cry a lot.
Oh, it's all right, girl. It's not your fault.
Like
It's a team effort.
2 people had home run.
Uh-huh.
That 2 and home runs are 5.
Uh-huh.
And 3 people made it to the base.
Oh,
and
my
that's
goodness.
all 1. So we're losing by 13.
Oh my goodness, Courtney. All right. Go. I don't think it's 13 though. It don't work like that, huh?
No.
No, I don't know what she's talking about. So that means they're losing by, she said 2 people got home runs and 2 people got to the base. So that's 4, right?
Yeah. Because home runs do not equal 5. Because as soon as they get 5 runs, they have to get back in.
Yeah, they have to go back in. So yeah, she's either, they either got 4 or 5.
Yeah.
She's tripping. She's mad right now. Her birthday's tomorrow, and she just came from getting her hair done, her birthday hair. How old are you gonna be?
15.
Over there looking like a 25-year-old. Show it ain't
Hey
funny.
guys, so my mom doesn't mind doing this, but she's gonna find it on her phone. But sis got her hair done. Look, stiff wig, you know what I'm saying? Okay, but I just set up her little setup, so you know.
Came to Denny's for breakfast, but it's a lot of people. So we'll be chilling for a little bit. How old does she look, y'all? Because I say 30.
27.
27? And
I'm 28.
girl, be quiet.
She said, how old do I look?
What's wrong with you? Why are you so sour right now?
Because he's looking bad.
What's wrong with you? Well, you need to cheer up before you go home.
Like I did.
Like he did.
Like
You understand?
last time Chase was mad because it was my birthday, not his.
No, that's not what he's mad for, right?
No.
Chase?
It's just his Dragon Ball Z toy.
Yeah.
Well, he better get over it before I call his dad.
Last So good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Oh, thank you. If I didn't say it already, I could have said thank you.
She just got her nails done. Let's see. Birthday nails. Cute. Go put a shirt on before you come on YouTube. Bye. Get out of here. Right. What you trying to show off? You little skinny self. All right. So nails done, hair done, everything done, huh? All right. So we're about to go to the movies. Stefani, Pet Sematary. To see Pet Sematary, but the whole family's not going because some of us don't like scary movies. So don't mind the house. We ain't worried about that right now. It's birthday time. It's not cleanup time. Okay, Timothy got his shirt on now. All right, you staying here, Timothy?
Yes.
Go over there. We're going to go to the movie. Remember the scary movie that you guys don't want to see? Oh yeah, too bad. We'll go somewhere later, go out to dinner or something, and come back and get you guys.
What we eating for dinner?
Crab.
Yes.
All right, so we're at the movies. It was just me and the girls. It was supposed to be, but look who came. Chase. You know we're about to watch a scary movie, right? You ain't scared?
Yeah, I'm not scared.
Timothy and Courtney said, heck no, they're not coming. Tamia's down there. So we'll let you guys know how it went when we get out. All right, birthday girl, what did you think?
It was boring.
It was boring?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And Stefani already said
that movie was terrible.
You guys just don't know the old school Pet Cemetery. That's why. Yes, what did you say?
That
was scary.
That was scary, that's why.
I think he's traumatized. Put your seatbelt on.
The last movie that I seen, The Prodigy, but I feel like it ended exactly the same.
Like kind of.
Yeah, because the end of Prodigy, the little boy killed his dad, or no, the little boy killed his mom, and then at the end, the wife killed her there, and then everybody killed the little baby. It's like,
yeah, that was crazy. Chase, in the movies, you said don't ever take you there again.
What if Turkey take me there?
Okay, but hey, how many of us told you not to go?
everybody.
Everyone, right? Are you gonna listen to us next time? We said you can't see that movie. You're gonna be too scared. Didn't we tell you that?
Yes, and I said, no, I'm not.
And you said what?
I said, no, I'm not.
Yeah, exactly. And then when we were during the movie, you said you wish you would never be there. Why did I bring you there? Take you home, all that. You remember that? Oh, you don't remember that. Are you gonna listen next time when I say it's too scary? Huh?
Do I say no?
What would I do if you said no? I'm just not gonna take you next time. If you want to be silly and go somewhere where you know you're gonna be scared, then I have to just not take you, right?
That's not being scared.
All right, you're being unreasonable right now, so I'm gonna stop talking to you. Hey guys, how's it going? I am on my way, taking a ride with my husband to the Bay Area. Just a quick turnaround trip on business, but I decided to jump on and talk to you guys for a minute so you guys could come with. Okay, so right now we are in Dixon, and I'm sitting in front of this store waiting for him, casually chilling. I hate the fact that we cannot play music because I was literally just in here bumping music, relaxing, loving the California sunshine. And I wish I could take you guys along on those type of rides, you know, the car ride, but when it gets back in the car, I gotta shut it down, because when you're on a road trip, you gotta be listening to music. You feel me? Y'all know what I'm talking about. What's today? Today is Sunday, April something. Okay, so we just left Walmart and my husband bought me a camera. Some of you guys, we've been talking about cameras, and I told you guys I wanted a camera. It's a Canon SX5 350HS. I don't know, but once I use it, I'll do a review video and let you guys know. But I'll show you now. Comes with some little pamphlets, the book. I had stuck the receipt in here. It was about it was around $260 plus the SD card. That was more. It comes with a battery charger, and a cord for your neck. Voila, here it is. We're driving, so don't mind the noise. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think about it later on, but it looks really cool.
It was trained like this, they act like two legends cannot coexist, but I never beef with it.
Hey guys, so yeah, as you can see, we're in San Francisco. My husband got out the car and I'm supposed to be looking for a park, but since we're not supposed to you know, be on our phones out here in California, and I lost my little clip my phone's supposed to be on, I gotta hold it. So I pulled over just to check in with you guys, let you know we are at our destination. My husband is out looking for a park, and I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. Yeah, a little, still scary. I'm going to show you guys some views of San Francisco, California. It's the Golden Gate Bridge. we just went over the Bay Bridge. You can see Alcatraz a little better. The wind is blowing me right now.
This ain't BBD in your bed, you better take this off for your
Same nigga though.
Yeah, because I remember you showed me the video. That's it then. That's the one. I'm like, it sounds the same, but it must not.
Seeing these nuts, hey, let me change your life. I swear I'll change your mind. Baby, why you be mine? She love it when I want it. She love it cause I'm fine. She like my smell, wanted me to take it down. Can't wait a while, I ain't your fucking town. Bitch, I'm a grown man, gotta understand I need this honey in my fucking dance. Change your life, let me change.
I know you guys can barely see me. I turned on the car lights. Let me see. Can I turn on all of them? Yeah, that's all the lights, and it's just like this. But I was just coming in the vlog here. We made it back home. Well, we're not home. We're back in Sacramento. Just a quick little day trip to handle some business, and now we're back. So my husband's doing something. He's out of the car at the store, and then we're gonna go back home. It's 7:58, so it's about 8 p.m. I still have to go feed the kids, get their stuff ready. Matter of fact, oh, I just remembered, they're on spring break officially, except the girls, the oldest one. So I still gotta make sure my oldest daughter's ready for school in the morning. I still gotta take her to school, but you know, gotta go home, deal with the kids. 8 p.m. on a night that they don't have to go to school is early for them. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy riding with me to San Francisco. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.